Hey, what's up, y'all? So today we're gonna build one of these road showers. Super easy build, promise. We're using 4-inch ABS pipe, a couple stainless steel straps, a couple valves, basically what's considered special glue, ABS cement. I'll put all the links in the video, of course. Mine is custom built, so it wraps all the way down my Prinsu rack and then makes a U-turn at the back. And then you can see there's 2, 4, 6, and then they're hidden. So there's 12 carriage bolts, and that's how it's secured. And I kind of lucked out, it just fit kind of naturally. Didn't plan for the U, I just had the idea one night and hey, it seemed to work out. So documenting this for you guys, and yeah, I'll walk you through what I did. Once you have everything test fitted, you're going to want to take stuff apart and then start gluing them together with the ABS cement. And this is good up to 180 psi, but we won't be going anywhere close to that. We're going to stay around 30 psi. So this stuff should hold nice and strong. Don't glue the caps yet because we still need access to the inside, right? So we have the end caps here. I've got one built already. We have a spigot and a Schrader valve. And the way I did this was just use some Ryobi Forstner bits. I would recommend getting like a full set, just because it's, you know, it's more bang for your buck. So you'll drill a hole, and what I had to do was, to get a snug fit, I went down size and then just kind of carved it out as I was drilling. So that's in there pretty snug. And then once you get the hole drilled, you're going to want to take this ABS plastic and quickly apply it, shove this in, and get it screwed down as much as possible. So this, it's basically a bulkhead on the back. So you're going to shove it in. Once the ABS cement is on there, you're going to go around back, get this tightened on as best you can. And then you should be good to go. So that's the one side. Next is the other end cap, and what you'll notice is they're gonna be a little different. So my plans were to originally have the spigots on both sides, but there's a couple extra valves and bulkheads I was gonna need to make this setup really function. So this side, we also have another Schrader valve, and a Schrader valve, all that is you're going to be able to pump it up with an air compressor. This one goes up to 150 psi. This guy will connect into here, pump it up, super portable, so that's kind of exciting. So yeah, that's the Schrader valve. This is a bulkhead that we're going to use. This will be where I fill up the water. So we're going to position this as close to the top as possible, so as we're filling, the water kind of falls down, right? You kind of want to work with gravity. So yeah, that's the bulkhead. This cool guy, another guy reached out on Instagram, said you might want to consider this. It's a pressure release valve. So what this does is, we're aiming for 30 psi, so we're gonna set this to 30. And what this does is, if pressure starts getting, to 34, 35, 36, this is gonna release that excess pressure. It's gonna get rid of it. It's gonna whoop, out of the tank, which is really cool. And then last thing is another bulkhead, similar to the pressure valve. These are but separate, and then what I put in here is going to be a permanent pressure gauge, and goes up to 60. I got one that was a little lower, just so I can have a little more accuracy as I'm filling up. So we got the two end caps. Again, left one is Spigot Schrader valve, in case I want to pressurize as I'm showering. Other side is a bulkhead, so I can fill up the water tank. Another Schrader valve if I want to, for whatever reason, pressurize on this side as well while watching the gauge. So I figured that would be kind of useful. And then the pressure release valve. So if I walk away and it's just outside sitting in the sun, this will protect the tank from getting too high in pressure. So those are the two end caps. That's what we got so far, y'all. There's tons of Teflon tape on it. Got it pumped up, it's holding pressure. It's been holding pressure for about 2 minutes now. So yeah, it looks like we're in good shape. So there's your portable road shower. So here's this strap, slightly tightened down. It's a tight fit, but the pipe, you can kind of move, get in there. I have a 2-inch carriage bolt strap, and then there's a washer, and then a 1/4-inch locking nut. All right, little tip, you can use these magnetic little pin thing that I have to lower down the washers and nuts onto the bolts. So super handy, makes life a lot easier. You have the 6 straps on now, bolts are ready to be tightened. You should be done.